Starlink is a satellite internet constellation project developed by SpaceX, the aerospace company founded by Elon Musk. It aims to provide global internet coverage by deploying thousands of small satellites in low Earth orbit. Here are some interesting facts about the Starlink satellite constellation. Rapid deployment. SpaceX has been launching Starlink satellites at an unprecedented rate. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, hundreds of satellites were already in orbit, and more were planned for deployment. Global Internet. The primary goal of Starlink is to provide internet access to underserved and remote areas around the world. It has the potential to bridge the digital divide in regions with limited connectivity. Low Earth orbit, LEO. Starlink satellites orbit at much lower altitudes, about 550 kilometers or 340 miles, compared to traditional geostationary satellites. This low orbit reduces latency and improves internet speed. Massive constellation. The plan is to deploy tens of thousands of satellites, creating a massive satellite constellation. This is necessary to ensure global coverage, especially in areas with high demand. Beta service. SpaceX initiated a public beta program known as Better Than Nothing Beta for select customers in late 2020, providing them with access to the Starlink internet service. Phased rollout. The deployment of Starlink satellites occurs in phases. Initially, they focus on the northern regions of the world before expanding to other areas. This helps optimize coverage. Satellite trains. When a batch of Starlink satellites is launched, they often appear as a train of moving lights in the night sky. This has led to some concerns about their impact on astronomy. Recyclable rockets. SpaceX uses its reusable Falcon 9 rockets to launch Starlink satellites. This innovation significantly reduces the cost of satellite deployment. Competitive pricing. The aim of Starlink is to provide competitive pricing for internet services. This could potentially disrupt the traditional internet service provider market. Global impact. Starlink has the potential to impact various industries, including telecommunications, internet service providers, and even the space industry. It may also provide internet access during disasters. Please note that developments related to the Starlink project may have occurred since my last update in September 2021, so it's a good idea to check for the latest information on this innovative satellite internet system.